Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa Meghan. If you have not yet or are new to the channel, please make sure to click the subscribe button and little bell icon to be notified when I post, which is every Monday and Friday, but I was thinking of changing it. I might be doing Wednesdays and Saturdays now, so if this video goes up on a Wednesday, that might be happening. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. But anyways, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing 5 easy and heatless hairstyles that you can do that are super cute, and these are also some of my favorites that I like to do a lot. So if you want to see how to do them, just keep watching and we're going to go ahead and get started. For the first hairstyle, I'm just starting with my hair down, and of course I'm going to be parting it down the middle into 2 equal pieces, and then I'm going to be gathering one section to the side and gathering it all in my hand, just making sure that there's no ugly bumps or anything like that. Then after that, I'm going to be taking this little brush, and I find that this brush actually makes it really smooth on my hair, so that is one that I tend to use with these kind of hairstyles. So I'm just brushing it all together, making sure there's no bumps once again and that it's not ugly. And then once that is done, I'm just going to be pulling out the little pieces and like my little baby hair, so it looks a little bit more messy and more cute, because I find that when you take pieces out, it looks just more cute for some reason. And after that, I'm just going to be taking a little elastic and tying that around my hair. And once that's done, I just like to pull it a little bit tighter, just make sure it's secure. And then I'm just going to repeat that onto the other side. For this hairstyle, I'm just starting with my hair down again, and this one is pretty much the same, except you're going to be taking half of your hair and not the entire thing, but still the same thing with that it's parted down the middle and it's in 2 sections. So basically you're just taking the top half of your hair, and I make sure to leave a little bit down to cover my ears because I don't really like when my ears are showing. So basically just doing that, and then I'm taking the little brush again and brushing that through my hair to make sure there's no bumps or ugliness or unevenness, anything. And once that is done, I'm just going to be pulling out the little baby hairs once again. You'll see that's a trend throughout this video. I like to take out my little baby hairs and flyaways and strays and whatever else they're called. And then after that, I'm just tying a hair elastic around that again, pulling it tight, and repeating that on the next side. now it's time for the high pigtails. I don't recommend this if you're trying to look like you're like 30 or something, because this does tend to make you look a little bit younger. I mean, it's still super cute, but I don't tend to do these as often just because, yeah, they do make you look a little bit younger. But what I'm just doing here is essentially the same thing as the first one, but it's just going to be higher up instead. So this one requires a little bit more brushing and a little more work just to make sure that there's no bumps and that it's sitting at a place that you want. So once again, I'm taking that brush and making sure there's no bumps. I'm gonna say that so many times throughout this video. Yeah, and also you want to make sure that your pigtails are positioned in the same like area in your head, so you don't have one that's lower than the other. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Taking out the baby hairs again and then tying an elastic, and that is pretty much it. This one is pretty simple actually. I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory, but essentially you're just taking half of your hair, and once again I'm leaving a little bit of my pieces out so that it covers my ears kind of more. But yeah, I'm just going to be doing that, kind of gathering it up as much as I can, and then I'm going to be taking that brush again to make sure it's all smooth. Yeah, still taking those baby hairs out, and again with the elastic, and then that's pretty much it. Also, an option is you can actually tease the part that's in the elastic just to make it stand up a little bit more, so it's a little bit more fluffy and cute. But if you don't want that, and you have thicker hair, it should just stay up by itself actually, but I have pretty thin hair, so sometimes I do have to do that. And lastly, the simplest of the simple. This one is just a regular ponytail, so for me, I just like to flip my head upside down and kind of gather all my hair up, and then once again, I'm just brushing the brush through it to make sure there's no bumps. Again. Yeah, sometimes I like to do it a little bit messy, so I will leave some bumps, but in this case I'm trying to make it as smooth as possible because that's just the look we're going for. It's simpler. Yes, but then once again just taking out my little baby hairs, the elastic, you know, I'm pretty sure you know the drill by now, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So that is going to be all for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to be devoting this entire month to just consistently posting on YouTube and trying to do my best on here, because that's just what I want to do, but I just feel like I get lazy sometimes or distracted or whatever, and it's so annoying, but I actually want to do this. So yes, also once again, we are so close to 100 subscribers, so please make sure to click the subscribe button. That would help out a lot. Thank you. And yeah, all my social medias will be linked down below so we can be friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!